Hi, welcome to OutbackTraveler.com. What you see behind me is a truck camper which we designed and built for our family. हम सभी जानते हैं RV क्या होता है. What is an RV? Recreational vehicle. This truck camper is a type of RV which can be carried in the bed of a pickup truck. मतलब इस कैंपर को एक पिकअप ट्रक पे लोड की तरह ले जाया सकता है. इसीलिए इसे स्लाइड इन, डीमाउंटेबल या डिसमाउंटेबल कैंपर या आरवी भी कहा जाता है. ये कॉन्सेप्ट विदेशों में खास करके नॉर्थ अमेरिका और यूरोप में काफी पॉपुलर है, लेकिन इंडिया में दिस इज अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट. Now let us talk about this camper in particular. For this camper, we have chosen the Isuzu D-Max S-Cab High Ride as a pickup for its weight-bearing capabilities. Now there is something called as a pop-up camper. Pop-up campers are compact. So for these, there the Isuzu V-Cross, Isuzu Highlander, Tata Xenon or Toyota Hilux are suitable options as pickup trucks. But we required a full camper. For that, the Isuzu D-Max S-Cab High Ride was a suitable option. Being one of a kind and a new concept, we were faced with the challenge of finding a suitable fabricator. अब कारीगर तो बहुत है, पर इस डिजाइन को समझना और उसे अंजाम देना अलग बात है. पर हमें एक ऐसे कारीगर मिले जिन्होंने इस डिजाइन को समझा और नतीजा आपके सामने है. Now since the fabricator was talented, he was able to follow our instructions and the result is this beauty right here. I would like to mention that after much deliberate and detailed research on the design of the truck camper that we wanted, we zeroed onto the Isuzu D-Max S-Cab High Ride as our pickup truck. Of course, building this truck camper was time consuming since we had to keep in mind our current base vehicle and in case we change our base vehicle in the future to a similar type. As a family, we love traveling long distances by road with our dogs and cats. But in India, the concept of pet-friendly hotels and resorts is not common. And on many road trips, we faced a lot of difficulties. That is when the idea of a motor home came into mind. Initially, we thought of building our motor home on an army disposal 4x4 Swaraj Mazda ambulance or a tempo traveler. But we changed our mind. The only reason being that its use would have been limited to just a motor home. For our truck camper, we needed a robust vehicle which we are used to driving and which can be used as an independent vehicle without the camper. Oh yes, and keeping in mind the road conditions in India. Having said that, the Isuzu D-Max S-Cab High Ride is a comfortable vehicle to drive, robust and stylish. It is built on a strong chassis and we can do a fair amount of cross-country riding in it, especially if you change the tires to mud terrain or rough terrain as we have done. That is the reason why we built this slide-in truck camper which can be demounted with the help of jacks, which we will be showing in our next detailed video. And then we can just park this camper while we take our pickup truck for a spin in the city. That's all for now, but do look out for our next video in which I will do a detailed walkthrough of our truck camper since minor upgrades are still in progress. So folks, stay tuned for Stormbreaker. This is what we have named our truck camper. Thank you for watching our video and hope to see you soon again.